chain 1 here, and now we can start on the flower portion. So I ended up doing a little bit of trial and error here, and I'm seeing that this is what works best for the petal. So what I did, slip stitching into the next one so I can start my new petal, chain 3, a double crochet into that same space, go yarn over, double crochet, and then a double crochet into this next space, and then a treble crochet, yarn over twice, pull over through two, and then through 2. So that's your treble. Chain 1, go back into this space, and then pull through 2, and that should give you your point. And then you're going to do a double crochet into that same space. So it should look like this. And then double crochet into the following space. And then chain 2 and slip stitch into that same space. Okay, so this ends up giving you this petal.